Hi guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to adjust back gesture sensitivity of area left and right side. That means left and right edge of the screen in your Google Pixel 7a. So it is very simple. Simply open your menu by swiping up. Then you can see option of settings application. Open that. Then select display and touch. Okay. After opening display and touch, swipe up, then you can see navigation mode. Open that, and it is only working on just a navigation. Click on that icon right side of the screen, and you can see option of left edge and right edge. You can simply adjust the edge area, how much space used for back gesture. So you can adjust right side, and also you can adjust left side also from here. So you can see after adjusting the area that will be used for back gesture. So some people use less area for the settings. You can see that you can also adjusting left edge and right edge like this, which side you are normally use. If you are a left hand user, you can simply select left area, or if you are right hand user, you can simply select right area. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace such video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.